I'm Kat, and this is another super exciting Treat Yourself Tuesday video. I was getting ready this morning to film a different video, and I'm waiting for my hair to dry. I was setting up the camera in advance to see what the lighting was like, and I kept adjusting my camera, but eventually realized that what I didn't like was just my face now. I'm not gonna say quarantined. We're not quarantined. I was quarantined last year when they thought I had mumps. I'm gonna do the Celebrity Pure Mask. This is from Get It Beauty, and it's super cute. I like the packaging. Centella asiatica extract calms skin trouble. Nice and vague. I'm into it. Sorry about the background noise. I'm married. My husband has been working from home since before most people, and since I'm an actor, the entire entertainment industry was canceled a few weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago now, just to get ahead of this thing, and I am so grateful for our unions for being a driving force in that, and for legislating for us to make sure we're covered, I mean, as much as we can be, in the pathetic government assistance that is being offered. At least if you live in California, it's pretty pathetic. Like, someone's 3 months worth of rent in other states and most of your rent in this state. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna let this soak in. I'm gonna take all the juices from the bag and smear them all over the rest of my body because I'm a little freaky like that.
20 minutes later.
Alright, that's done. Still feel disgusting, but I'm definitely more hydrated. Alright, next I'm going to use my Clarins Hydra Essential Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm. And this is one of my new finds. They sent this to me. Oh, and full disclosure, some of the products, not all of them, in this video were sent to me by various brands, but this video is not sponsored, so I'm not getting paid, and all opinions are 100% my own. So I will never lie to you about enjoying a product that I don't enjoy. Next, I'm using my Dr. Babor Lifting RX Collagen Cream. So I have been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I've already noticed, and here's why I like switched to the lifting collagen heavy anti-aging products and pay more attention to the skin. You know, like when you open your phone and you open the camera and it's like looking back at you and you look like a potato because it's down here looking up. Well, now I look like a potato with like a dewlap. I don't know. My skin was like doing this weird thing where it like wrinkled here, and it was a little traumatizing. So yeah, I've been using that for a couple of weeks, and I have to say I actually have noticed a difference. Okay, now I'm extra moisturized. Next I'm using, this is from Clarins. It is their extra firming Cou et Décolleté, I guess would be how you pronounce that. Just taking a shot in the dark, you know. Oh, I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't even tried it. This is my like first look. Oh well, I've already messed it up. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Oh! I should silence my phone. All over my neck and my chest. I can't stand how quickly this skin is aging on me, and it's because I get tan lines there. I just get so much more sun, and I guess my facial SPF works so much better than what I use there. You know, it's already getting better, right? Right? That feels really good. All right, I guess I should do makeup now. So I'm gonna try the Avon Magic's tint, and this is technically a tinted moisturizer. Brightens skin and blurs imperfections for a smooth, radiant finish. Okay, we'll see. Before applying, allow ample time for daily serums or moisturizers to properly absorb. I think we're good. All right, how do I put this on? Do I just put it on my hands? Should I use a sponge? I haven't used a tinted moisturizer in a very long time, so this should be interesting. Is that too much? That might be too much. Maybe I'll just put some on my neck just to get it out of the way. I'll use my neck as a palette. Come back to it later. All right, this is comfortable. All right, it evened me out. I look just as pale as I did before, right? Thought so. All right, so I guess I will use my Tarte Shape Tape, and I use 205 Light Sand because I'm pale as fuck. All right, looking a little more awake. If I'm being completely honest, I don't even remember what this is. It's just in an unmarked, nondescript, black market looking container. I mean, like I bought it at a drugstore, it's fine. I'm gonna use a little bit of this bronzer from Arbonne that is so old that I have rubbed the name of it off the packaging. I'm just gonna use my Too Faced Bonjour Summer palette. This is from a few years ago. I'm just gonna do my usual everyday eye makeup and then come back and show you when that's done. All right, this stick is from Kiko Milano. It is the stick for lips and cheeks. How creative. I really love this product though. I don't put it directly on my face. I get a little bit on clean fingers and then I tap it. On my complexion, it's the only thing that makes me look alive because I am so pale and I do have that yellow undertone. So my skin is very much lacking some of the pink that other people have naturally present. So I put on a little bit more than I need initially, and then by the time I'm done with my hair and makeup, I think I end up rubbing off enough of it that it ends up perfect. In my opinion. I don't know, you guys probably watch my videos and are like, she cannot do makeup. Alright, I'm using my Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed in rose quartz. Putting that on my upper cheekbones. Should we do a little down my nose? Why not? We're just gonna go grocery shopping, come straight home and shower. Y'all should be showering after you go grocery shopping, by the way, because you probably come home completely covered in COVID. And the last thing I'm using is Ink Tattoo Lip Tint from Avon and The Face Shop. I guess this is a collaboration. It's so happy. You guys, I'm loving this product. I just need to work on whatever the F is happening here. This product is beautiful. It feels fantastic. When you first put it on, it kind of has the texture of like a lip velvet, but then it feels like nothing. It really feels like nothing. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of pink and this like coppery color. All right, and then I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and promptly taking off half of the makeup I just put on. Just blending it out. And I suppose I should dry my hair. So, I actually do feel a lot better. And that is really the whole point of a Treat Yourself Tuesday. It's just about taking time to do the things that feel like luxuries, even though they really kind of just are maintenance. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you sticking around on my channel all this time and all the different iterations that it's had, and I'm really excited to see what I can figure out that I can shoot while we are stuck in this in-between, waiting for news and just trying to get through life without freaking out. Love you guys. Thanks.